Hello and welcome. You are watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Deepika Lingdo bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. We teachers want a normal life, not an agitating life. SSA School Teachers Association. Prominent social organization to strengthen agitations for ILP in implementation in the state. EMI employees came back after a year to demand for their rights. And run, jump, shout, but do not sin. Don Bosco. And now the news in detail. All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association today observed a sit-in demonstration to demand payment of salaries from the state government. The SSA teachers who observed the peaceful sit-in demonstration at Jayao Students' Field held placards demanding payment of their 8-month salaries. Speaking to the media, the General Secretary of the Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association, Defender S. Lamare, said that the teachers are facing enormous hardships due to non-payment of their salaries.
On behalf of the SSA School Teachers Association, we express our grave concern regarding the incapability of the state government to release our 5-month salary. So as teachers, we face a lot of difficulties. We have families at home. We have to take care of our families, and also some of our SSA teachers, they have medical problems. So it creates a lot of problems arising out of this non-payment of or non-receipt of the salary. So from our side, we felt very sad regarding the incapability of the government, and we have at least few points regarding this. First is that the government should immediately release our 4-month salary, at least, if not 5 months, at least 4 months salary till the month of November. And secondly, the government should regularize our SSA posts. And thirdly, we have also pressurized the government, since it has almost forgotten to release our 8-month pending areas right from the month of July 2017 to February 2017. So July 2016 to February 2017. So we request the government to clear our salary, and this is our great concern, because the government from time to time they do not follow up regarding the clearance of the salary, because we have seen that the government is not capable of handling this matter maybe. So therefore, our teachers of our association, we felt so frustrated about this, and we urge that the government should take immediate step and concrete step also, so that to solve this problem once and for all.
Prominent social organizations under the leadership of Khasi Students' Union today decided to strengthen the agitation for implementation of inner line permit in Meghalaya. The social organizations belonging to Khasi Students' Union, HNYF and FKJJP said that they would continue pressurizing the centre till ILP is implemented in Meghalaya to safeguard the tribal identity. The social organizations also observed a peaceful procession from Jayao to Mot Pran Point to highlight their demands. The members of these organizations carried banners and placards to register the protests. Burning of effigies marked the peaceful protests.
Dijukran berbor kumli kumtai singa juang berbor kisamla kalong ngenye long kinong king ngatiar om da kusulai da konongrim da kasur bat khamtam da kasnam namta kari bak jat ru pawai ngai chkam to yai long kibaya sha ni sutho ka jingyal ti ba kumnu ne chakmat ri tang kawai ka jikrpat pasgoret kalong ai bakane kamat bakane issue kanai ke issue jong ka jat penriu ngem kwa ban Kandai ke movement cho kisang balang, I'm kandai ke movement cho kichuhat cho kachat pedrew bro kawai. Kasar na kisnong kitaw, na district pa per pan urlang, yakimat kijura cho kari bagchat pedrew. Kandai terpeng cok piwai puai kumit khat ju chat bedu berkawai phobnai ayat kena jingpang klam hakaba kamdai bakasar tangpo jela jungi ha perthai berkawai hari makwa ban kren hang ni kalong uni virus pami nang ri po China udai bama pat ula ban kut dak guna bakas ngi handai udan sawai pat virus pami thi no pak Delhi kata ka CAA padai lo kata ka nangrem ni dawa yuk dawai bini kun persya yau tau virus ni punyang jingpang baka sarkar India ka persyang ban Vietnam at panjat ya kari baka chat pendai ujungi kata ka sarkar India kari pentrikam mador ya KLP na kawai ka cingalang sakwai pat ka cingalang lalang na cukran berbor lalang ka sarkar India kanang pensem pan pentrikam ya KLP ya po ka jala ujungi na sobenong kari ka kamram ontang yut khat jong seng balang rai ka kamram jong wai poit khat jong chat pendriu panang ni sakaman ngiri bin pentrikam ya ka jong KLP pan kendang ikmenari na betapa per jong ka chat pendriu ro kawai kata ka song
langi ba KLP ka kata ya kata ka fundamental right jong nong sung jong India lada ka sarkar India ka sengau kumta balai KLP thamai ya ka Manipur balai umla manai ya ka Meghalaya nyuma no ipi lagi jalan no is baro ka Bareus Patam kadai ka Meghalaya ka Badan Uranium uba ka Jingbon ulong second hapori India utar dari Meghalaya ka Shillong musim penting ka Bahatam banyawan Shanghai yakai ye officer India ru katar ko dai Meghalaya lada kita kini benta kiba pinkhonyo ya sarkar India banai LP hendrai ngonong sengap syoi kita benta ai syoi ngi KLP ngin sepek yang kita kiwi benta bawang badai bandan kata ka district task force kaban pentrikam no ban khenra no ban sim register no ya ginongwei kibaladan lupa menta ka jela chungi hendrai ya kata ru sim lapat penpura ka yang jok sarkar menta kajingi tegho jong jai benriu kajingi tegho jongi kisang balang kalong bat ka sarkar India ru bat ka sarkar Meghalaya ru ha ka bai dai ya kani ka benta manong mentek lakam yang jingwan kimendari sa kani ka jongi we condemn
After a year of agitation, the EMI employees today put up their protests against the government to demand for their rights. Speaking to the media, Srimati S. Lingdo, advisor of the EMI Workers Union Meghalaya, said that for the last 1 year, they had been agitating to demand for their rights, to which they were told by the management to return to work and their demands would be met. But there was no progress at all. The issue of the field staffs were kept unnoticed, not a single demand was met. Furthermore, the employees were mentally harassed, and because of which they had no choice but to come out in public to demand for their rights.
My name is Linda. I am the advisor of the EMI Workers Union, Meghalaya. So as everyone has seen that from the last 1 year we have been protesting, we have done different agitations. So after the talk with the government has given us the instruction that we return to work. And from the management side, they have given us the promises that they will make this service better. But it has been 1 year. We have not seen any progress where the management will solve the issue of the field staff and the ERC also. Right now we have gathered together to show to the public that what we have protested for the last 1 year, all the promises had gone to vain, where they had not completed even a single demand. Instead, they have been mentally harassing the employees, which has made up to come back and fight publicly. So our main demand right now is we don't want this management or we don't want any other company to come in the state. We just want the government to take over this project, as this is it depends with the life and death of an individual. So dealing with the life and death of a person, it should not be in the hands of people who will run just for a policy. The company is full of policies. They work with a policy. So we don't want to work under policies We just want to help people in need and we just want to save lives.
Joint Action Committee of MEECL engineers and officers today filed a review petition against a special power tariff granted by Meghalaya Electricity Regulatory Commission to the Burnie Industry Association from the current rate. The special treatment will incur huge revenue loss to the MEECL, which is detrimental to its functioning. The review petition before the Commission said that the order providing power concession to Burnie Industries Association should be revoked as it was not justified. The review petition also said that the power consumption by the industries of Burnihad area in Ribhoi district was partially affected during the month of March 2020 due to COVID-19 pandemic. The review petition also stated that the power consumption by these industries became stable from the month of April onwards. This was reflected in the billing system and the petition for a lower tariff for 3 years. As per MOU, on the basis low consumption pattern of 1 month does not seem logical, the review petition said. Women's College Shillong, a premier girls' college of the city, as well as Women's College High Secondary in collaboration with the State Resource Centre for Women, SRCW, Social Welfare Department, Government of Meghalaya, organized a 2-day orientation program on the theme Gender-Based Violence and Its Prevention to commemorate the UN activism on gender-based violence for the students and the teachers of the institute. The resource persons from Women's Commission, Kong Thaylin Phanbo, Chairperson State Women's Commission Meghalaya, representatives from the Meghalaya Police Department, Supriya Das of Sardar Police Station, and B. Jarwa, Deputy Superintendent of Police, Advocate Suparna Sham from the legal fraternity and representatives from NGOs working in the field of women and child rights, Balari Salingdo and Shannon Maser from Faith Foundation participated and oriented the participants on various topics such as gender, women's rights, cyber crimes and its prevention, sexual harassment in the workplace and other related topics. Don Bosco, friend of the youth, founder of the Salesian, rightly said, "Run, jump, shout, but do not sin." Following his footsteps, the Salesian Youth Movement Shillong, under the leadership of David Marwin as the president, clubbed all the executive members together to plan the program in bringing out all the youths together despite the pandemic. The basketball tournament, which started on the 15th December 2020, came to an end today, where 38 teams participated enthusiastically with fun and vigor. Speaking at the end of the tournament, Father Anthony Kharkongor applauds the Salesian Youth Movement Shillong for their dedication and love for the movement. Father Anthony also informed that he did not expect the response would be so good, where many youth came to participate from different parts of the state. After getting permission from the DC, the program was scheduled following strict protocols. He further said the love of Don Bosco for the youth was unconditional, which can be seen in his own words, which says, "For you I work, for you I study, for you I am even ready to give up my life."
Finally, I would like to thank all the 38 teams. We never expected that such a big number of teams would come and participate. This only shows that they are fed up of staying at home. Yes? Yes. And opening such a space like this, they jump into opportunity, and that's how we started. At the beginning, it was very difficult, very tough, because we have to get their permission from the DC. So congratulations to all the winners and the runners-up, and all those who participated. They are all winners. The fact that you have participated proves itself that you are cooperating with us. Bosco says that, "For you I work, for you I study, for you I even give up my life." So much Don Bosco love for the young. And we, the Salesians here, Father Edmund Gomes and I are here, carrying on, living the spirit of Don Bosco in reaching out to young people. Once again, I wish to thank all of you. Having completed the tournament, we will certainly meet again in some other programs. And whenever we invite you from the SYM, please do come. Please do come, because our movement is a very active and lively movement. Okay?
Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.